In this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the new features in Sage 50 US Edition version 2020 that I think a lot of people will really appreciate and have been frustrated by its absence in the past. And that is that this applies to all sales forms now. I'm using a sales invoice, but it applies to quotes and proposals and sales orders and even receipts in the receive money window and credit memos too. But in the past, when you would go to email an invoice, it would always go to this email right here. If you look in the Maintain Customers window, whatever email there is on the General tab, or also it's the same one that is the contact designated as the bill to contact for this customer. It would automatically go to that email, and you had no other choice. But now, when you click the email button, you see you've got a drop-down list here. So any contacts that you have with an email address for that customer, you can now choose which one you want. Now, you do have to choose it every time. It still defaults to the bill to contact. You can see back here, even if I switch my ship to address to Susan Lord, when I click the email button, it still comes up to Nancy Archer. And also, if you have a contact with no email address, they will not show up in the list. So if we put that back, then Susan's back in the list again. So if any of you were not familiar with the fact that you can have multiple contacts for a customer, if you look in the Maintain Customers window, you can come over to the Contacts tab. You can hit New Contact, and you can set up as many new contacts as you want. If you want them associated with a separate ship to address, then you need to come over here, Edit Address, and you can add that to the list. But that's another whole subject. Anyway, that's a new feature that I think a lot of people will appreciate. So I hope you find that helpful.